Mercedes-AMG G63 2026 is here, and today on Nitro Garage we are going all in on this absolute beast of a machine that has taken the entire automotive world by storm. Welcome back to Nitro Garage, your number one destination for everything hot, powerful, and luxurious on four wheels. If you are new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button right now because we never miss when it comes to bringing you the most insane cars on the planet, and today is absolutely no exception. Mercedes-AMG G63 2026, the ultimate expression of raw power meeting unmatched luxury, has arrived to redefine everything you thought you knew about a performance SUV. This beast is not just a vehicle, it is a statement, a lifestyle, and a symbol of absolute dominance on every road and terrain it touches. From the moment you lay eyes on it, you know this machine means serious business, and nothing on the road comes close to matching its presence, power, and pure aggressive character. The 2026 Mercedes-AMG G63 carries forward the iconic boxy silhouette that has made the G-Wagon a legend for decades, but now everything has been taken to a completely new level. The exterior design is sharper, more aggressive, and more commanding than ever before. The wide body stance, flared fenders, carbon fiber hood vents, and the signature circular LED halo headlights all come together to create a front face that is instantly recognizable and absolutely intimidating. Whether you park it in a luxury showroom or pull up to a red light, every single head turns without exception. Under that carbon fiber vented hood lives a hand-built AMG 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine, producing a thunderous 577 horsepower and 627 pound-feet of torque. This powertrain launches the G63 from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.4 seconds, which is absolutely jaw-dropping for a vehicle of this size and weight. The 9-speed AMG SpeedShift TCT transmission delivers lightning-fast gear changes, while the AMG Performance 4MATIC all-wheel drive system ensures every single one of those horses hits the ground with maximum grip and confidence in any condition. Step inside the 2026 Mercedes-AMG G63 and the luxury hits you instantly. The cabin is wrapped in the finest Napa leather with hand-stitched quilted patterns covering every surface from the seats to the door panels. The dual 12.3-inch widescreen MBUX infotainment system dominates the dashboard and gives you full control over navigation, entertainment, and all vehicle settings with stunning clarity. The AMG Performance steering wheel wrapped in perforated leather sits perfectly in your hands, while carbon fiber trim pieces and ambient LED lighting in 64 colors create an atmosphere that feels more like a private jet than an SUV interior. The 2026 model also brings advanced technology upgrades that push the G63 into the future. The new AMG Dynamic Plus package gives drivers multiple drive modes including Comfort, Sport, Sport Plus, and the legendary individual mode, allowing you to tune every aspect of the driving experience to match your exact mood and preference. The active ride control system, rear axle steering, and electronically controlled limited slip differential all work together to make this massive SUV handle with the precision and confidence of a true sports car despite its commanding size and presence. On any terrain, the G63 is completely unstoppable. 3 fully locking differentials, a low-range transfer case, and serious ground clearance mean this machine will go absolutely anywhere while looking expensive doing it. From the sand dunes of Dubai to the highways of Los Angeles, the G63 handles everything without breaking a sweat and without ever compromising that signature luxury feel that makes it so special and so desirable worldwide. Here at Nitro Garage, we only bring you the absolute best of the best, and the 2026 Mercedes-AMG G63 sits at the very top of that list without any competition. If this video fired you up as much as this car fires us up every single day, smash that like button, drop a comment below telling us your favorite thing about this legend, share this video with every car lover you know, and do not forget to subscribe to Nitro Garage, because we are just getting started and the best is always yet to come.